Bought some bread, sourdough loaves at my favorite stand at the farmer's market. I go here at least once a week, almost every week. I usually go on the weekdays when it's less crowded, but the reason I went today is because I made some butter. And I wanted to give some to my in-laws. I feel like I should taste test it first before I do. This is the butter I made last night. The shape is really ugly, but it kind of looks like butter. This is the best sourdough bread ever. It tastes like sing cream milk. I mean, it is made from heavy cream, but I did not expect it to be this good. Like, whoa. But the matcha powder is so fine. My breakfast is toast, homemade butter, salt, yogurt, honey, blueberries, and matcha. Wow. This matcha is from Hatoya. More bread. Last night, I read about detoxing your body, and I read that if you drink warm salt water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, it will kind of clean out like your body, because apparently your body holds like 5 pounds of old stool or something like that. I have Celtic sea salt. They said to use good quality salt like pink Himalayan or Celtic. I'm just gonna put a pinch. Make it colder. It's too hot. Do I need more salt? I don't taste salt at all. Oh, my laundry is done. Oh my gosh, so good. I haven't been to a coffee shop out in LA in months. I just can't beat my own matcha latte. We went to Asia for travels, and then when we came back, we were just hosting nonstop, like back to back to back, which we both love. We were so grateful to do that, but it is like physical work. So the days when we don't have like plans, we just love to take things slow, do like, you know, little errands together, grocery shop. This is my first weekend alone. I did host my parents 2 days ago, and then I hosted my friends last night, but today is like my first free day, so I'm just gonna do whatever my free will desires for and enjoy it. These are my two main journals. This one, every day I try to write 10 things that I'm grateful for. And I bought this cute notebook in Paris last year, so I was like, this is where I'm gonna use that for. I've been doing it every day and I love doing it because this moment of my day is where I can pause and think about the entire scale of things in my life, big events or just basic things that I can easily just think of as given. I think writing it down is what helps me like slow down because we're always, digital and stuff. So I will do that. And then this is like my agenda journal, but I got this in Japan and I think it's made so well. There's like a monthly overview, there's like a weekly overview, but every single day you can write a tiny little checklist. So I love doing this and checking things off. Towards the end, we have like a lined portion, grid portion. The brand is Nolty. I think I got this at Itoya, and our favorite pens are from Muji.
1 minute passed.
The sky is so pretty today. I need a quick snack. I'm gonna toast up some walnuts. This is my latest obsession. This combo is so good. You just get the key is you toast. I'm craving hobakjuk. I will be making pumpkin porridge. Oh my god. Truffle olive oil. 진짜 맛있어. 설탕 넣었어?
응. 디저트로도 괜찮다.
가 다이를 일방적으로 좋아해서
괜히 글 쓰셨다가 서로만 스토커로 올리는
시작합니다. 각자 편안한 자세를 취해주세요.
Welcome to my bathroom. I had a great productive day today. This is my favorite time of the day. Oh, I'm gonna finish off with this
Level 1.
glow